Hey, welcome, brothers and sisters, to my Sheikh Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. In the previous video, I have showed you how to use method reference. As you remember, I said for functional interface, we have two ways to implement them: by using lambda expression or by using method reference. So, for method reference, I have shown you before by using static method. Okay? And the syntax is, if you use static method, is class name, double colon, method name, semicolon. Okay? And the second way is easy. We don't have static method. What we can do? There is instance method. I will show you, of course, how to use it. So the syntax with instance method is the object name double colon method name. Okay? But remember, there is constant. If you use method reference, the method must contain the same type of argument. Okay? Don't worry about modifier, don't worry about return type or name. No, but the type of argument must be the same. It's very, very important this. So for example, when you tell me how to use instance with instance method, it's so simple. I have my class C equal new my class C. Now it is object instance of, okay, of my class. So if I want to change my implementation for my interface, it will do directly my interface E equal this object O, for instance O, double colon the method M2 or M1, what you want. Okay? Here is the syntax. Now I will make an example. An example how to manage multi-threading. Okay? And I think I have made an example like this in the first video. I don't remember. Maybe I have made an example with thread. So in Java, if you want to use thread, you have two ways. The first way is to extend the class thread. The second way is to implement the interface reliable. Okay? Reliable interface contains only one method, only one abstract method. What is this method? It is rel. Okay? So it is functional interface. Okay? So if I want to use the second way, what I will do? Reliable R equal. Here I have a lot of ways to do this. The first way, what is it? Is to make new class. Class is implementation, one class that implement reliable. Okay? By reliable. Call it by reliable. The second way is to write lambda expression for a method rel. Okay? And the third way is to use method reference. Okay, we have three ways here. Do you see? I have a lot of opportunity to manage this now. So now you make an example to create this method reading. The first example is by using lambda expression, and the second example will be by using method reference. Okay, with instance method, of course, not by using static method. Okay, so let's see this by the first example by using lambda expression. So here I have class my class. I have public static void main. Okay, now I create variable R equal. I will create my lambda expression for the method rel. So method rel doesn't have any argument. open parenthesis, empty parenthesis, simple arrow, open curly brackets. For int e equals 0, e less than 7, e plus plus, curly brackets, system out of println, child e. Okay, it is the child thread. You close curly brackets for the for the lambda expression. Now, how to call this lambda expression? How to use the label? I'll create thread class, thread t equal new thread with r that I have created before. Okay, argument r. And what I will do, t dot start. Here, remember, just when you make t dot start, you have a new thread that has been created. Okay? Before, in the main method, there is only one thread, the main thread. After, when I make t dot start, there is another thread that has been created. I have explained this before. Huh? Now, when I start the thread, I will make another for loop for int e start 0 equals 0, e less than 7, e plus plus, system out of println, parent e, for example, or parent thread, put what you want. Okay? So this is the implementation by using the lambda expression. Okay? Now, let's jump to second implementation by using method reference. I have my class, same thing, and here I will create a method. Public void m2, m1, start by m1, no problem. m1, I open my curly brackets, for loop for int e equals 0, semicolon, e less than 7, e plus plus, open curly brackets, system out of println, child e. Okay, child thread e. I close my for loop, I close also my method. This I will do public static void main. Inside main we create the instance for my class. So my class m equal new my class. Okay? And now what I will do? Renable r equal, what is equal here? Remember? M, it is the object, the instance. Double colon, the method m1, because m1, it contains implementation of red method. Okay? So, will be the object name m double colon m1. So simple like this. Now it will do thread t equal new thread with r, and after this we will start the same thing, and for loop for int e start from 0, e less than 7, e plus plus, system out of println, parent, child parent thread or parent e, what you want, close curly brackets, etc. Okay? So here I have used the method reference by instance method. Okay, look, m1 isn't static. It is an instance method. So to call this instance method, we use the object of the class. Okay? It's very important. It's not like static. Static, we use the name of the class. Here we must have our object. Okay? So I will execute this code to computer to see what we got, if it is correct or no. So let's jump to see the result. Go! So here I have created my class 2, create my method m1, but it is not static. Okay, this is the instance method. It's very important. Now I will create the instance of my class 2 equal new my class 2, and here we create renewable air equal. Here, what I will do, I will use the method reference by instance method. So m, this one, double colon m1. Okay. Now I create my thread t equal new thread of air. Good. Now I will make t dot start. After this I will make the same for loops, but for the parent thread. So here parent thread. Okay, let's see the result. Take. So here we have a result, but it is not the same, huh? Because it is thread. So maybe the second one will be the same, the third. Do you see? The result is not the same because you have different threads that are running. So if I run again, do you see? The result is always different. Okay. So here I have used method reference by instance method. It is m1 here, and the syntax is you can see object name double colon the name of the method, and remember the argument type must be the same. Here there is no argument. So now you have see how to use method reference by using static method or instance method. In this video, inshallah, I will show you a new thing that is constructor reference by using double colon. I hope that you have understood this concept. I know maybe it is not easy the first time, but if you see again this video and the previous one, will be very familiar. Okay, just remember you have two ways to implement the functional interface. You can use lambda expression or method reference. For method reference, you have also two things. If you have static method, so we use this syntax, the class name double colon method name. If you have an instance method, you will use object name double colon method name. But just remember the constraint, the method that you refer must contain the same type of argument. Okay? See you in the next video. Continue to follow this course. Practice. Inshallah, you will be more comfortable with all this new feature. Share this course, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.